What's up, goated ones? Frank from the Goated Guild here, tearing you down to build you up. Episode 74 ish. We're back to regularly scheduled programming. No more memes for me. Well, probably some more memes at some point. I saw this on Product Hunt. Sharetribe. Sharetribe cuts 90% of the time and cost to build and launch an online marketplace without trading off customizability and scalability. Launch in one day with our no-code builder and extend infinitely with custom code through our API-first developer platform. This description sounds amazing. I think no-code tools are the new hotness. Having no-code tool for a specific type of business, I think, is smart because you can put in features that are very specific. Bubble can do this, or Webflow can probably do stuff like this, but they're likely not gonna in-house do every little feature that someone who is a marketplace founder will want. So this was of all the, so this is how I pick which thing I'm working on, which is the most compelling based on just this description. No code marketplace builder, fully extendable with code. So let's see if they actually use that type of copy on the site, because sometimes it's a little different. This is Anna. Okay. This, I can't read. The pre-love marketplace for kind parents. Can I get more info on Anna maybe? Okay. Anna is one of the thousands of founders who launched her marketplace with Sharetribe. Read her story. I haven't even read the hero. The Octopus Club launched with a unique design at a fraction of the time and cost of building from scratch. Anna Rachel Estrugo has bought her furniture and clothes secondhand for many years, but when she became a mother, she found it hard to buy quality items for her baby the same way. She founded Octopus Club, a pre-loved marketplace for parents. Launching felt like rapid fire compared to building from scratch. Standing in her 6-month-old baby's nursery. This is great. Wow. I don't know how many users she got. I'm a graphic designer by trade. That helps. June 2020, she launched. What are the numbers? She launched a crowdfunding campaign, £150,000. Okay, Anna. At this point, we didn't have any revenue. I'm confused. However, Anna knew she needed help. She launched a crowdfunding campaign. In 15 days, she reached her maximum target of $150,000 pre-revenue. At that point, we didn't have any revenue. For the first 2 years, we didn't take a commission. We just wanted to make sure everyone who signed up had a great experience. Oh my God. Oh, Anna. Gonna make me cry. So to know that investors could see the business potential, it was very powerful. Damn. I'm gonna cry. Damn, Anna. You did that shit. Doing stuff without commission to start because you believe you want people to have a good experience, that's just great advice. This website is an ad for Anna. Like, oh, in early 2003, additional funding from existing investors. Can I get some? See, what this is missing is like a real high top level number. That's all I'm looking for. I just want to know, is this legit, and is it because of Sharetribe? I mean, I guess there's different methodologies to it. Like maybe you don't want to make this all about Sharetribe, but there should be something about Sharetribe. I mean, you kind of just assume that the product is good because I guess she's still on Sharetribe. I'm assuming. Um, but yeah, let's just go back to the hero. So this hero is really working for me. Marketplace software for founders. Great tagline, makes sense. Launch your marketplace in a day without coding. Lets you know how simple it is without having to say that directly. Extend infinitely with code. It's scalable. It's not that you're going to eventually move off of it. You can add code to it, which After you start adding code, you're probably not going to leave because that's a pain in the ass. Scale your business to any size. So for me, if I'm in the market to do a marketplace, the only thing I care about is how this pricing model is structured. That's the only other thing. Like, I'm going to assume it has all regular marketplace features. And we'll check that. But the main thing right now is like, is this something price wise that's going to make sense? Um, but this hero is awesome. Um, it has all the components you'd want. Anna seems like a great founder. And they have this thing. She's one of thousands of founders. Anna's not the only story. Um, but I think it's compelling when you put your users first, like especially for a marketplace software. So this is top tier hero to me. I would give this a 9.1. I'd give it a little more if they put some indication of the pricing up top, but let's see what the pricing is like. I hate when people do this yearly thing.
That one there was a violation.
It's always confusing. So build monthly. It includes the cheapest one, test marketplace. With a full feature set, customization and tests, API access and tests. I don't really know the difference. Live marketplace with a custom domain and onboarding mode. What? No transactions? You can't make transactions? Whoa. So you can't make transactions here. You can't make transactions here. So what is the point of these? That's why Anna didn't charge people for have any revenue for the first year. Because she couldn't afford the freaking plan. Damn. 139 and you can't do any transactions? That's tough. Best for launching your marketplace. Man, this pricing is tough, bro. Like, I wouldn't even have these plans. Man, that is tough. And only 250 free transactions, and I guess, yeah, I need this. So you can't have a live marketplace. That's confusing. And you can use your own domain. But what is a transaction? Like, people can't buy anything in your store? Online. Oh, yeah. So you can have it live. Okay, I see. You can have a live marketplace where people help each other, but you can't sell stuff in it. Oh, this is like that's almost a deal breaker. That's tough. That's tough. Because aren't they making money on transactions? Don't you want to encourage people to like create marketplaces? Because once they hit traction, you're making money off of. I mean, you should be making money off of transactions, right? Yeah, I don't understand that business model. I would cap the number of people, right? Like that's the thing that shows the scale of the business and how much money they actually have. I think that's one thing. Let me just talk to the camera right now. There's a lot of companies that are trying to make money off of like I don't think companies do this intentionally, but a lot of times companies are making money when somebody is like just getting started and like sometimes you look at the bill every month and you're like, wait a second, I paid $40 this month and I got nothing. So why would I continue? Even though you might be 2-3 months away from having something succeed, because some things just take time. I think business models that are more aligned with that growth trajectory of it might not be working the first couple months, and then once it works, you're gonna make a bigger cut. Like there's a company called The Rave, which we'll review. Um, they do referral marketing, and they only charge you on like a performance basis because they have confidence that you know the good customers that they're going for, that they want, are going to eventually have enough traction that you're a part of their regular purchasing flow, right? So they'll continue to make money that way. Um, yeah, I think SaaS has to evolve a little bit to that, especially because the cost for them to let people use the software is pretty minimal. Um, the incremental cost for each customer, it's not like they're doing crazy onboarding, I would assume. But anyway, let's get back to it. Build any kind of marketplace, rental marketplaces, service, local services, virtual services, events and experiences. Okay, product marketplaces. For each one of these, I guess they have an example, which is cool. Looks like you can do a lot. Um, Launch your business today with a flawless marketplace user experience. Start at 90% done. Profiles, listings, payments, monetization, admin tools, infra, and security. I mean, product wise, it looks great. Looks like it has the stuff you need. Seems customizable. A lot of tools. Zapier integration is kind of a default API integration that every platform should do because why not? It's a good place to start. Developer platform, customize your marketplace as much as you want with code. Create a marketplace that matches your unique vision. Product marketing on this page is great. I love the examples. I like the text with the example. It lets you pick whatever you want. That pricing model, man, damn. And just 10 or 10 million users. If somebody has 10 users and you're charging them $30, like I had this with another platform, community platform, and it's like I haven't had anybody use the community platform for 2 months. Like it just hasn't either didn't really get started, and you're just like charging me monthly. It's like when I look at the bill, I'm like, what did I get for that 30, 40, $50? If I didn't get anything, I'm just gonna churn when I haven't even gotten started. I don't know why. I don't know why. I don't know why. First timers or seasoned vets, bootstrapped or VC funded. Yeah. Drive La. Raise millions in venture capital. Shout out to Annie McGuire. Gorov. That was my friend's name from college. Drive Aya. Drive Aya. How do you pronounce that? They raise 3.2 in pre-Series A funding. So that's post-seed pre-Series A. Is that post-bridge or is that pre-bridge? That's very important. Drive Aya. The past couple of years has been busy, to say the least. Singapore. Always want to go there. The community boasts over 150,000 registered users. We started working with Drive Aya. Our biggest objective was to put out a product as quickly as possible. You can do endless research, but in the end, the only way you can really validate an idea is to put an MVP out there. They should bowl this and make this bigger. Come on. That is a fact. So that's why they use Sharetribe. We didn't have to reinvent the wheel. A lot of the features we needed were already there. The team's expertise in marketplaces is baked into the products. This is what I talked about with Ikram from Venmo. You infuse the products we use are infused with our perspective. If you grow up a certain way or you have certain things in your life, you will put those things into your apps and applications. And that's why it's nice to have teams that are very diverse because they have different experiences that you can lean on different cultural heritages that have different ways of living, and that's the beauty of it. So your greed should want you to be diverse. But hey, let me stop preaching. Okay, 10x in over a couple years. Are you still on? Are you still on it though? That's the key. Because one thing in marketplaces is, first of all, people go around the marketplace. They use the marketplace to find people, and then they say, "Well, I'm not giving this company none of my money." But then the other thing is, like, if somebody joins your marketplace startup builder, and then are they just gonna bounce? Can you? Oh, they got a FAQ on the homepage.
That one there was a violation.
Nah, nope, 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 nope. Is it easy to create a marketplace with Sharetribe? I think that should have been communicated already. What are you gonna say? No, it's really friggin' difficult. Like, that question is useless. How does free trial work? How much does it cost to build a marketplace? I mean, the pricing model got to change. Mm. But if we're evaluating just the website, I think we gave the hero a 9.1. I'm giving it a 9.1. Um, the page, I think, is also a 9. Like, enough examples showing different features, social proof of like an actual user with a full case study. You can delve in deeper. Giving people the option is like, that's important to me. Like, I want to read those stories. Yeah, there's no confusion. There's this stuff which doesn't really do shit for me. And then we've been helping founders build successful marketplace for over 10 years. Yeah, I want to read your story. Tell me your story, Sharetribe. The origin. Auntie, Auntie, and Juho. Man, I need to name my kid something interesting, man. It's so powerful. Started building their first online marketplace in 2008. Massive potential marketplaces. The past 15 years, seen a lot of marketplaces. Launched a blog, Marketplace Academy. Okay, I like it when it starts from a blog. The Lean Marketplace. And then they built Sharetribe. Cool. Okay. In 2017, we realized that we didn't want our company to be sold. We felt that as a backbone for thousands of online marketplaces, Sharetribe is an important part of the internet's infrastructure. It should always remain independent and in control of responsible stewards. We transitioned to a steward ownership structure in 2018. Oh, wow. That is great. Okay. I'm liking this company more. Yeah. Don't skimp out on putting your company page and telling your real story. Some pictures, you know? You want to see who we're talking to. People want to connect with people, not just Sharetribe. I want to connect with the homies. I need one of these. I'm going to set this up in my living room. Miko, Hanu, Jenny, Vessa, Thomas, Walter. How they let you in with, like, standardized American names, I love this team. Yeah. Gives you a little bit of personality for each person. I appreciate that. Luis. Where are they based? Anyway, it's cool. Yeah, this is a great business. I think they've got all the pieces in your menu system. It's good to have product and use case. What I forget how we call it. Use cases like this. Features and use cases kind of good to have under the product section. showcase, marketplace gallery. Maybe I'll find a marketplace I've used before. Yeah, so I'm giving it a 9-1 on the hero and a 9-2. I'm not giving a 9-2. What else could I have put on this page? I feel like I don't know. I think they had everything. There's nothing else I really wanted. Um, Maybe a little video would have been nice. From Finland, land of the saunas. I've been to Slush. Shout out to you guys. Okay. I'm a fan. I'm going to give it a 9-0. A straight 9-0. Which means Sharetribe is officially a goated one. Well done. Well done. If you are looking to build a marketplace, check this startup out. Yeah, that's all I got, guys and gals. Damn, I've been doing this for 20 minutes. I get lost doing this stuff. Special announcement: we have launched the Goated Guild. Goated Guild is a way for me and my product obsessed friends to review your company websites, get you customer feedback, talk to your customers, gather interviews and content you can use in your marketing, and put together user stories and product feedback on a consistent basis. It's on autopilot. You get an independent perspective that you probably need. So if that is interesting to you, go to gotodguild.com. I'm putting in a link at the bottom so you can get a free analysis of your company. We'll do this basically an hour of the work, just so you can see our perspective, but you can kind of see it on here. It's getting this in a more consistent way, gathering the customer feedback that you probably are getting in bits and drabs, but to have an independent set of people analyze it and give you really productized feedback is what we do. So check it out, goatedguild.com. As always, brush your teeth, walk in the corner. Denbo out.